Hey Kinky Roots Africa fam, I'm Joshua the National and I'll be showing you guys how a simple protective style such as a twist out can help you retain that length. So you're going to take any lightweight oil of your choice, take a few pumps, remember to always warm up the product, then twist your twist in the opposite direction, separate them gently. Then what I like to do is I like to take the one twist, pull it, and then separate the twist where it naturally wants to separate. Twists are a great protective style because not only are you retaining length, but you're also locking in the necessary moisture, you know. And not only that, it is quick, it is easy, and it is so sufficient. It is also a great protective style for beginners because not only is it quick and easy and sufficient, but you can also rock it as basically a 2-in-1 because 1 week you can do twists, the week thereafter you can then, you know, do a twist out and you are good to go, and you can just repeat the cycle, you know. And that way you're also limiting your wash days as opposed to washing it once a week. You're now washing it every second week, so you are kind of saving on that as well. And also doing twist is also a low manipulation hairstyle, and with a low manipulation comes length retention because you aren't manipulating your hair too much. Going back to the 2-in-1 hairstyle, the 1 week you are doing twists, you're leaving your hair literally alone for that whole week, and thereafter you're doing a twist out. So now that my hair is in its twist, I'm going to show you guys 3 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do on your day 1 twist out. So the first hairstyle is going to be 2 pigtails. So what you're going to do is you're going to split your hair in the middle, right, all the way to the back. You then bring half of your head's hair to the side, making sure that everything is, you know, together. And then you take your elastic band, you then kind of just put it on the hair. So the reason why I do not tie it twice is because it limits the tension on my edges and breakage as well. So this is hairstyle number 1 complete. I absolutely love 2 pigtails. It's quick, it's easy, it's sufficient, no pulling of edges, and you look cute. So let's hop into the second hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is a fro walk. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull your hair, the side of your hair, to the back. Just take a little brush, just smooth it out, and then you take your bobby pin and obviously adjusting it to how far you want your fro walk to go. So I just want mine kind of to start behind my ear. Right, so now that this is kind of secured, I'm going to move a bit up. I'm going to add another set of bobby pins. And then kind of just work my way up. So this is how the one side looks. I kind of put it just behind my ear and then I bring it all the way up to here. So I'm just going to do the side off camera and then I'll be right back. And this is the final result. I absolutely love a fro walk because there's just something about the bangs that I love. So the third and final hairstyle is 4 bantu knots in front, and then we have the fro at the back. What I did was I kind of just sectioned the part that I'm going to be bantu knotting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first section, or the first bantu knot section, and just tie the rest up. Add some water. And then I'm going to apply my styling product and then do a 2-step twist. What I'm going to do is, as I'm twisting, I'm going to start twisting into a knot. And then press, and then just go around that knot that I've created. So that is the first band knot complete. This is the third and final look. If you guys do like this type of content, you already know what to do. You need to like, comment, and share this video. And then until next time, bye guys.